So today we are going to be using the advanced search to look at our libraries. So we're going to click that, and then in order to search the collections that we want, we're going to search a term. So we can do, let's say we want to do something, find articles about the ACL. We can do the ACL, and then we're going to use different functions such as and, or not. And for the first one, we're going to do and. So we can do ACL and MCL. And then we're going to click search. When we click search, we see that multiple collections and research articles come online, different available options to use with ACL and MCL. And then to change that, we're going to now try one that says ACL or MCL. Then press search. After we see that there are different outcomes and different result numbers. And so these are articles or books or different resource types that have ACL or MCLs that are mentioned in here. And last but not least, we're going to do ACL, not MCL. And so these are going to have different outcomes with strictly ACL, and MCL is not going to be provided whatsoever in these. And that is how to use this library collection using the different advanced settings for not, and, or. Thank you.